Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring access. Sign into your Google account and open Colab. Create a new notebook and immediately set the runtime to Python 3. Pick GPU only if your model needs it. Mount Google Drive so files persist. Use the provided mount command and authenticate. Once done, upload or link a sample CSV, then import Pandas and NumPy to inspect the data. This gets you into an interactive environment fast. Make sure to save early and name the notebook clearly. You'll load data using Pandas. Read CSV from your Drive path or GitHub raw link, then run df, head, and df info to understand types and missing values. If a package is missing, install it with an inline. Pip install command and restart the runtime only when necessary. Break work into cells, one for cleaning, one for feature engineering, one for modeling. Once you run visualizations, keep outputs inline and use inline charts to check assumptions. This structure keeps experiments reproducible and easy to iterate. You'll train models in dedicated cells and validate with cross-validation or a holdout set. Save final artifacts to Google Drive using joblib. Dump or pickle for later use. Once done, export the notebook as ipinb and commit to GitHub if you want version control. If the runtime disconnects, reconnect and rerun the initialization cells, mount Drive, reinstall packages if versions differ, and reload data. One key tip: if outputs vanish, check that you didn't rely on an ephemeral local file, and instead store important files in Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.